Can you please say hi to teacher? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, very good. All right, now, hello. Welcome to our English class. All right, lesson. Right. Good evening. My name is Teacher Hannah.
My name
Right.
is Nam.
Yeah. Oh, before we start or before anything else now, can you hear me clearly? Can you
Yes.
hear me? Oh, very good. Now, how about, oh, sorry. Now, how about, can you see me clearly? Can you see me? Can you see me? Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. All right, that's great. All right, now again, my full name is Hannah May, but you can call me Teacher Hannah. All right, now, how about right here? How about you? What is your name? What
My
is your
name
name?
is Nam.
All right, that's great. What a nice name. Your name is Nam. All right, Nam. Nice to meet you. Can you shake your hands with teacher? Come on, shake your hands. All right. Can you shake your hands with teacher? Oh, where is your hand? Can you please raise your hand? Raise your hand. Raise. Oh, very good. Shake your hands with teacher. Come on. Oh, nice to meet you, Nam. Right, Nam. Oh, how old are you, Nam? How old are you? I am.
I am 8 years old.
You were. Again, Nam. I
I am
am
8 years
8.
old. Year
Oh,
old.
you're, yes. Oh, you're 8 years old. That's great. Nam is 8 years old. Right now, Nam, how are you today? How are you? Are you happy or sad?
Happy.
Oh, very good. Now, can you please, where is your happy face? Can you please smile? Where is your happy face? Oh, that's great. Very good. You were happy. Nice to hear that. Nam is happy. Right now, Nam, I want you to ask, what is your favorite hobby? Do you like dancing? Do you like singing? Or do you like painting?
I like dancing.
Oh, you like painting. Very good. What a nice talent. Oh, what usually do you paint? Do you paint flowers? Cars? What usually do you paint now? You usually paint what? A robot? Or what do you like to paint? You like to paint car.
I like singing.
Oh, very good. You like to paint car. Now, Nam, how about reading books? Do you love to read books?
Singing.
Do you like books? Do you like? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes, very good. Now, how about playing? Do you like to
Uh,
play?
I like singing.
Oh, you like, how about swimming? Do you like swimming? Do you like swimming?
Yes.
Oh, yes, very good. You like swimming. Now, how about drawing? Do you know how to draw? You like to draw? Yes or
Yes.
no? Oh, very good. Nam likes to draw or and painting. All right, now how about here? Nam, what do you like? Do you like
I
cars?
I
Robots?
like robots.
Oh, you like robots. What do you like? The big robot. You like the big robot? How about the Transformer, the Bumblebee? Do you like Bumblebee?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So you like robots. How about superheroes? Do you like superheroes? Like Batman, Spider-Man, Superman? Oh, do you like superheroes?
Top.
Oh, do you like also superheroes? But you usually like robots. Am I right? Do you like robots? Oh, how about cars? Do you like cars?
Yes.
Yes, you also like cars. All right, now, Nam, let us talk about the different colors. All right, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color now? Do you like red, blue, yellow?
Yellow.
What do you like?
White.
Oh, do you like how about green? Do you like green?
Yes.
Yes, very good. You like green. How about blue?
Yes.
Yes, you also like color blue. How about red?
Yes.
Yes, you also like color red. Very good. You have more colors to like right now. Here, let us begin our class. All right, now are you ready to our class tonight? Now?
I
Oh, you were ready.
still in class TIG.
All right, for a while.